Hi everyone, I hope you had a good weekend and that if you're in the area you enjoyed some of the snow. I know many of you are moving in to dorms this past week, so hopefully that went smoothly for you. So I'm going to go over what's happening in week 3. You all are doing a great job on your Parlor responses. I am still going through the your Parlor syntheses that were due on Friday and your studios, but you're doing a great job on those your Parlor submissions. So keep that up. As you can see, we have a fairly straightforward week this week. So you have Parlor 3 due on Monday, Parlor 4 due on Wednesday, and then you're going to synthesize those as well as you did this last week. So you can see we're in this kind of pattern of having our 2 parlors and then doing a recap of them. So for this parlor on that's due on Monday, you're reading one article from our textbook, Bad Ideas About Writing. Remember that in this textbook, all the titles are considered bad ideas about writing. So this title, African American English is Not Good English, the author is going to try to disprove that. You're watching one TED Talk who counts as a speaker of language. If you would rather not listen to it but read it, remember the transcript is also there as well. So if you are not able to listen, you can always read the transcript. Okay, and then you have a reading that is in a Google folder that I've linked to and that you have access to. So students' rights to their own language, that will be this one right here. And you can go ahead and read that. Okay. And then let me go ahead to our Parlor 4. You can see you have 2 readings in our textbook and then a TED Talk as well. Okay, and then the assignment for synthesizing these will be the same as what you did last time. Okay, so you're looking at discussing common themes that you're noticing, possible research topics, any key terms that seem to be popping up related to writing. Okay. Again, if you have any questions about anything, you can go ahead and post those in the Ask Professor forum. And I hope you all have a great week. Please don't hesitate to contact me through there or through email. All right, have a good week, guys. Bye.